Hunter.io and Leadsforge are two tools that promise to help you find and verify leads, but they couldn't be more different. If you ever used Hunter, you know it's great for finding verified emails and running small outreach campaigns. Leadsforge takes the same concept and turns it into a complete lead generation engine. So let's break down the tools feature by feature. First, database size. Hunter crawls millions of web pages to find publicly available email addresses, indexing over 550 million sources. That's impressive. Leadsforge, on the other hand, is not just crawling. It's powered by AI enrichment and intent signals. You don't search for emails manually. You describe your ideal customer, and Leadsforge instantly finds verified emails, LinkedIn profiles, and phone numbers across its database and different providers. So while Hunter gives you static data, Leadsforge gives you up-to-date, dynamic, intent-based leads that match your exact criteria. Next, ease of use. Hunter's UI is clean but traditional. You still need to type company names, upload CSVs, play around with filters, and run verification separately. Leadsforge is conversational. It's literally a chat interface where you tell it, find SaaS founders in the US with 10 to 50 employees, and it builds the list for you. No filters, no guesswork. It's made for founders, SDRs, and agencies that want speed without complexity. Now, data verification. Both platforms verify emails, but Leadsforge adds extra layers. You have LinkedIn profiles, emails, phone numbers, all in one workflow. Hunter's verification is strong, but it stops at email accuracy. Leadsforge goes beyond ensuring every contact is actionable for outreach. If you couldn't find an email, you can find lookalike leads or find their LinkedIn profile. Hunter starts at $49 per month for 1,500 requests. Leadsforge provides $2,500 for the same price, and all of those credits roll over. That means you get more verified contacts for less money, and you don't lose what you already paid for. For integrations, Hunter integrates with CRMs and tools like HubSpot and Zapier, which is great. Leadsforge does the same, and it fits seamlessly inside the Forge stack. It can work together with tools like Mailforge and Salesforce to start doing automated outreach with multi-channel campaigns. So you're not just getting data, you're getting the entire outbound stack connected. So which tool should you use? Hunter is great if you're a small business doing light prospecting or just verifying emails. But if you're a startup and you want quality and speed, then Leadsforge gives you everything in one place. Sourcing, enrichment, verification, and export, all powered by AI. It's faster, cleaner, and cheaper. So Hunter is a solid classic, but Leadsforge is the modern engine built for speed, accuracy, and scale. It doesn't just find leads, it finds the right ones. And if you want to see how you can connect Leadsforge to start sending multi-channel outreach with unlimited mailboxes and unlimited LinkedIn profiles, then I suggest you take a look at this video right here.